My morning and night hair routines are so simple, they sound like an exaggeration. But it takes me 2 minutes to get my hair ready in the morning and even less time at night. And as a busy mom, professional, entrepreneur, all the things, this has been a game changer for my life. In today's video, I want to share my super simple hair routines with you. Before we jump in, let's talk about my core philosophy when it comes to my hair, and that is less is more. My hair does not need a bunch of products, and I do not need to style my hair every day. I honestly feel like the more I leave my hair alone, it is allowed to grow and flourish and be healthy. And all it needs from me is hydration and protection, and that's what my routine gives to my locks. My morning routine is all about waking my locks up after a night of sleep and setting my hair up for the day. The first thing I do when I wake up is I take off my bonnet and I just shake my hair out and sort of just begin to like finger comb my hair. I also will do any separating at the scalp. Sometimes, especially when I'm due for a retightening, my hair will fuse or the locks will marry at the scalp. So I just try to separate them out. I haven't always been great with this, but my loctician has talked to me about this, and so I try to do this every morning now, and it's just like separating out the roots and finger combing through my hair. One of the things that I picked up this year is after I finger comb my locks, I use my brush, which does a different kind of separating. I just find that when I brush my hair, it gives a different look than when I finger comb it. When I finger comb it, I feel like there's still like spaces between the locks, and that's a look that I love, but sometimes I love to use my brush in order to get a different look. So this has been the new addition that I've started doing now in the mornings as of this year, and I love it. The next thing I do, and this is probably the most important part of my morning routine, is I spritz my hair with my spray bottle. Yes, this spray bottle that I always talk about is critical for me. And just about every morning I spray my hair. It's not about saturating my hair, but it's more just about misting or spritzing my hair. And I do this on my scalp all the way to the tip of my hair, and then I usually just like massage it in with my hand. And that's literally it. That's my morning routine. Take off my bonnet, separate my locks, sometimes brush my locks if that's the look that I want, and then spritz my locks, and then I'm on my way. I don't need a bunch of products. I do not need to spend time hoping that my twist out or something turned out. I just get up and go. My night routine is just as important as my morning routine because this is where I protect my hair from damage and seal in or retain my moisture. My night routine basically has 3 parts to it: moisturize, stimulate my scalp when needed, and protect. I shower at night and I let that steam do its work on my hair. So I put my hair up in a loose bun, and the steam from my shower moisturizes or infuses my hair with the #1 moisturizer for hair, for our kind of hair, and that is water. So after my shower, when my hair is still a little bit damp, if needed, especially like in these winter months, I will use my coconut oil and just take some of my fingertips and just rub it into my scalp as needed. I definitely do not do this every night, but in these colder months, my scalp just goes through it. So I will do that at the end of the shower if I feel like my scalp feels dry or it looks dry. I gently massage my scalp for like 30 seconds to 45 seconds, and that's it. It feels amazing. It promotes blood flow for growth, and it's just a great way to deal with some of the itchiness that comes with winter or cold weather. Last but definitely not least, probably the most important part of my night routine is my bonnet. And I have one of these extra long bonnets. So for me, it's really simple. I just gather my hair up and put it inside of this bonnet and let it hang loose. I recently discovered these long bonnets, I think in the last year or so, and I just love it. I could never go back to a small bonnet now because I did have to sort of wrap my hair, or sometimes my hair would look a little crinkly if I didn't wrap it in one of those smaller bonnets. And in this guy, my hair is just free and I love that feeling. Of course, a silk scarf or silk pillowcase works too, because a cotton pillowcase will suck all the moisture from your locks and basically erase all of the work you do to moisturize your hair. For the first few years that I had my locks, I was really stubborn and I didn't want to wear a bonnet. I just thought, like, I did all this work to get locks. Why should I wear something on my hair at night? But when I started wearing a bonnet, and that was because I started getting a bit of a lint issue, I realized the difference in moisture. I didn't have to work as hard to moisturize my hair. And that is my super simple morning and night routine. It does not involve a lot of time or products. It's just what my hair needs, which is a little bit of hydration, scalp care, and protection. Okay, now it's your turn. I would love to know what your routines look like. Are you a minimalist or do you have a few more steps in your routine? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and see you tomorrow.